This video I'm going to show you how to connect the pages of your sales funnel and make sure that they're working correctly. So first off, you've got all these different pages that you already customized and added to your content. So you've got the lead capture page. Once people opt in through the opt-in box, they're going to go to the liquidation page and watch the video. Once they click the purchase now button, they're going to go to the checkout process. We determined that it's going to be $1. We set up our product that we're offering. Once they decide to buy, then they're going to be prompted to purchase an upsell offer, which there's more information that they're going to watch. And if they decide to buy and finish their purchase, they're going to the thank you page where you basically address how they can access their product that they just purchased. So let's go ahead and get started with the lead capture page. I'm going to click there, and first you want to configure the opt-in box. To do that, let's right click and click configure, and we're going to select mailing boss, but you have the other options here for the autoresponder services, but the mailing boss comes with our platform. It's very easy and ready to go, so all you have to do is just click mailing boss, and it's going to connect to your mailing boss account. It's your screen might show a little bit different because you might only have one list, and don't worry about it. You can always add more lists as you go, and to make it specific for each funnel that you have. In this case, I created one just for an example purposes. Let's go ahead and hook up with the email marketing, which is the one that comes with your account. So as you can see, there's only one field, which is the email plus the purchase now, right? So if I want to connect to the other list that I already specified that I have two fields instead of just one, let's go to my new list. Now you see that I'm collecting the name and email. So once people type in their information here, we need to point them to where we want them to go, which is the second page. So let's go right click and change URL. So here is the action. So the pending subscriber is basically what you want them to see. So if you're using the double opt-in page, let's say you want them to confirm the address before they can be directed to a certain page, you can create a page on your site, and right here for the action, let's click, let's select the page. You would have a chance to specify what page you want them to go to. In this case, it's just a single opt-in. So when they type in their information, we want them to be redirected to the liquidation page, which is the step 2 right here. Let's go ahead and click OK. Subscription confirmed. That's when if people go to their email account and they hit confirm, where do you want them to go? So let's go ahead and select page and choose the liquidation page, okay, and hit OK. Unsubscribe confirmation. This is an opportunity that you have once people decide to unsubscribe from your email account or email list. Then you can basically create another page on your site saying, hey, before I let you go, why don't you answer a few questions, or have you heard about this other thing that's amazing? So you can make it more specific to see if you can still save your subscribers. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just click the no action, and a window is going to pop up. Click the page, select. You can, in this case, I'm just going to point them to the lead capture page, okay, and hit OK, confirm. So now this is all set up. Once people opt in, they're going to go to the next page, which is the liquidation page. So let's go ahead and set this one up. In this page, we have two buttons. So let's say when people click this button, we need to make sure that they're going to through the purchase process. So let's right click on the button and let's determine an action. Right here it's already ready to go. You don't actually need to do anything, but let's make sure that it's actually going through to the checkout number 3, right? So okay, the same with this button, action, and let's select page, and then number 3, checkout. So you can always change if you want to send it to another web address. You can always select this right here, but in this case we're just going to select the page of our website and do the simple checkout. Okay, and it's all ready to go. Next step is to configure the checkout process. This page is already set up. You don't actually need to do anything because we already set this one up. So once people click next, they're going to go through the process of checking out. They're going to register the site and then they're going to be prompted to make a payment. The same with the upsell process and the thank you page. Okay. So all your pages are basically connected and ready to go. But one thing that I wanted to point out to you is what happens if people decide not to buy. So here's where you would configure. You would come to the beta where it says beta, and you want to go to manage automated emails. So let's say people decide to go through the process of the checkout process, and at the end they don't want to buy and they abandon the cart. So you've got the default right here, but we're just going to add one, and this is the purchase series. Let's hit confirm, and this window is going to pop up and open up. So now you've got the abandoned cart message that you can go ahead and select whatever you want them to say. You don't even need to type in the username. It's going to pick up from what they've signed up with. So the name they signed up with is going to show up on their email account, and then you can change the headline if you want, the subject line, the purchase completed. You can change here as well, and you've got the basic editor, so you can just go ahead and make it italicized and bold, and change the look and layout of your email, the recurring payment as well, currency canceled. Basically all the different emails you can set up right here. So let's go ahead and confirm, and it's successfully saved. Now we want to specify that people will get those email sequences. So let's go to beta again and go to offer manager, and you want to go to the offer. Let's go ahead and click the pencil, and right here, automated email theme. You'll see purchase series, so you want to select this email series that people are going to go through. Next, save, confirm, and if you want to do the same thing for the upsell, go ahead and click edit, and you want to connect to the email series right there. Click save, and now everything is ready to go. And once people go through the process, if they decide not to purchase, they're going to be receiving those emails that you just set.